out in the Broadwater at the moment. Bit of a storm coming up. You can see it's a bit black overside, and I'm probably drifting at about 4 knots at the moment. Just trolling a little chrome slug, seeing how I go. I've been up and down already 3 times and changed lures. No success yet, but I reckon with the sun just dropping and the tide slowing down the high, could very well make a difference. So just keeping an eye out for those birds working, and normally work down there at that yellow marker. The problem is if I go that far down, I've got to come back against the tide, which is pretty much what I've been doing all afternoon. So I don't know if my arms are up to going down that far, so I might just drift slowly and start flicking it by hand. Anyway. Anyway, I'm not going to paddle back up. I'm going to keep going. We'll see how we go down here. Love to get a bit of strike action on while the camera's going. Well, I'm on! I don't know how to video the whole thing. I don't know how to fucking video it. The wave's coming. But I'm on. I just got to set the camera up without losing it. Well, I'm at the old trusty marker. About 3 casts, and I'm on. I'm struggling. He's not a bad sized fish. I need to be able to turn around somehow. He's a nice Trevally. There he is. Alright, I'm going to have to get him in. I just can't keep letting him swim around. Oh. Hey, I'm in with. Get over there! Let's bring him up. Hey! Hey, buddy! There he is! My first kayak fish! Ow! There he is! My first kayak. Wow, Trevally! Ow! He's going to get a lure on my finger in a second. It's not a bad sized little Trevally. Exactly what I was aiming for off that green marker. I thought, oh yeah, come to the green marker and let's see what happens. Anyway, I've got to go! I've got to get him off!